We realized that while we can help patients own and control their own data through an encrypted health wallet, which lives on a mobile app, now all of a sudden we have this platform with all these data points, and why not be able to invite researchers into this ecosystem to be able to help researchers accelerate their research, move faster, and be able to give patients the opportunity to decide whether they actually want to contribute their data that they're collecting, that they're extracting from different systems, towards the greater healthcare ecosystem. We essentially can help researchers recruit diverse patients, which is a big deal because most researchers are working with whatever database they're given, and they're leveraging all the patient data within that database. Now all of a sudden we can help researchers diversify their data sets. We can also help researchers capture user-generated data from behavior tracking and also from questionnaires. Or we can actually use validated questionnaires like a validated migraine survey or a validated anxiety scale. And we can bring that onto the platform and then again help the researchers recruit people to come onto the platform and fill out this information, and then mix it with other data that is of interest to researchers. This could be wearable data from tracking your heart rate variability as an example. This could also be medication adherence information. So we have machine visioning that you could use on the mobile app. So this is actually quite relevant for a clinical trial. If a patient wanted to take a picture of themselves taking a pill, their eyes blacked out, now all of a sudden researchers can make sure that patients are actually taking the medication, because we know compliance and adherence are big problems within healthcare, obviously within clinical trials. So that's another thing that we can help researchers collect. And then we have this custom dashboard that we've built for researchers, which really brings the data into the overall picture, but the data is already de-identified. It's authenticated, it's consented for, and it's de-identified. So the researchers really don't have to worry about any of that. And it's very complex when it gets to the researchers if they have to be the ones anonymizing it and authenticating it and making sure that they've actually asked for permission. So we take that complicated criteria outside of the researcher experience, and we take care of all of that with the users who are participating in studies. How do we work with potential partners and collaborators? We can essentially work with partners in 3 ways. We can help researchers use our mobile app and our platform as an accompaniment to the clinical trial to help tracking of behaviors, wearable data, whatever it is the researchers are looking to track. But we can also make sure that the entire experience is private, secure, and that patients are actually consenting to the entire experience. So again, we can help these researchers accelerate that process. We can also work with researchers who are working on phase 4 real-world evidence, real-world data capture. So now we can use our platform to help understand population health. We can also use our platform as a service. So we can actually collaborate with partners who are not wanting to run a study, but who are essentially wanting to use our platform to support them with security, privacy, patient data ownership, consent, etc. Our team is incredibly passionate about healthcare, and we're incredibly proud of our diversity, from our expertise to our team. We're based all over the world. Our advisors are all over the world. We're virtual. We are diverse in gender. We're diverse in ethnicity. And our diversity actually extends beyond our company. Our app, the characters used in our app are actually androgynous. So we're proud to say that we've been thinking about diversity and inclusion and accessibility from the get-go.